Hey, this is Luke from my IM Place, and in this short video, along with my friend Chris, we'll show you the best YouTube course you can get, so you learn YouTube fast, and no matter if you're a beginner or not, you will learn how to create a YouTube channel and make money from it as fast as in 9 days. You will start making 5 to 6 figures a month before you know it. I've been doing online marketing for 10 years and I purchased a lot of training courses. The problem is that a majority of them are being created by people without any experience, so they are not worth any money because they just don't give any results. There are a lot of scammers in this environment, and as a beginner, you're not able to recognize them. On the other hand, there are a lot of free tutorials, but they don't cover everything you need to succeed, because they just give you some pieces of the puzzle, without solid a step-by-step plan to execute, so you're roaming in the chaos, wasting your time and energy on incomplete knowledge that may be provided by incompetent people anyway. Chris is one of the not many people I can recommend. He has knowledge, experience, his products are being constantly supported and improved, and you can simply rely on him. Many people have been asking me for a long time what course I can recommend learning YouTube, and for the majority of the time, I couldn't really recommend anything. But recently Chris created a course and it's just what many were looking for. Before we go any further, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you don't miss anything. Make sure you watch this video to the end because I'll have something special for you, and now Chris will tell you more about the course.
Hey, this is Chris, and in this video I want to talk to you guys about my new course that's launching here today in just about 2 hours and 30 minutes, and it's called YT Marketer. So for many of you who have been following me for a long time, you know that I am huge into YouTube, affiliate marketing, building my list with YouTube, pretty much anything related to YouTube. In fact, I started back in 2013. I started off doing things with like mass video marketing, where I've had hundreds and hundreds of YouTube channels where I would promote different types of products. I kind of got out of that here a while back just because I wanted to focus on things that were more legit, things that were more long-term, and things that were more up to YouTube standards. And so what I started doing was building authority YouTube channels in specific niches where I promote certain products for affiliate marketing. And so what YouTube Marketer is all about is basically my last like 8 years experience of building and growing YouTube channels, of getting YouTube channels monetized, and then how to rank your videos above your competitors. And so this is the homepage if you guys want to check it out. And I got a lot of examples here of different channels that I got monetized in less than a month. These are 4 different channels that I had monetized, one of them in as little as 9 days, but most of them under 30 days. A lot of reviews from real people who are in the Facebook group who got their channels monetized. And this actually was just over the last 1 month, because what I did is I did a pre-launch of this course in the month of November. And so from November until the end of December, these are all the people, or some of them, who have got their channels monetized and have already started earning from YouTube ads as well as affiliate income. This is something here that's really interesting that I point out in the course as well, and it's CPM, and I'm not going to go into detail about that right now, but basically it's how much you can get paid based upon the niche you're in with your YouTube channel, and the average is right around $4 per 1,000 views of your video. And so with one of my channels that I have here, you're going to see where I've earned up to $155 per 1,000 views. And so this is something that you'd really want to focus on if you want to earn money from YouTube ads. And then I also have examples. I have case studies where I show you where I have just uploaded brand new videos and within 20 minutes jumped from position number 32 all the way to number 1. And I show you exactly what I do to do this. In fact, for those of you who's ordered from me before, I have a service on Tubies where I do video SEO and ranking for businesses all over the world. And what I do is I show you exactly how I rank my clients' videos. And so you are going to learn that in this course. This is the first time I've ever shared this information like that to anyone. Down here you can see some of my previous products that I have launched on Warrior Plus, the ratings of them. And so I have basically over 9,000 sales. Out of those, 349 people's left reviews, and I have an average of 5 stars. So I tend to really focus on building quality products that people can really get a lot of value from. And on top of that, I do a lot of individual support. So if you need help, I try to do what I can to make sure you get it so you can achieve success as well. Down here's a little demo video showing you inside the course, but I'm going to do that right now. And then there's also an FAQ section down here on the bottom, which I highly recommend you guys read before you buy this course, because this isn't your typical $10, $20 course you're going to be purchasing. So I want to make sure this is something you guys want before you buy it. But let me jump inside the course here and I'll show you what's inside of it. All right, so this is inside of the course, the welcome video. I recommend you watch it. I also have a VIP Facebook group. It is subscription based because in this group I put a lot of my own personal time. I do one-on-one consultations. I will do reviews of your YouTube channel. I show you a lot of the strategies and testing a lot of my other YouTube channels and what I'm doing. So this is basically a group where you're going to get a lot of insider information from me, what I do, how I do it, and support. Now down here, this is the training, and you're going to see here this message. It says, during the first quarter of 2022, I'm going to be adding a brand new section to this course covering affiliate marketing. So this course was originally just going to be based around YouTube monetization, how to get your channel monetized in about 30 days or less, and then how to rank your videos above your competitors. But when I'd done this pre-launch in November, one of the things that was asked frequently was, what about affiliate marketing? How can I do that? So what I decided to do is not only am I going to be adding videos throughout the year to this course, but within the next couple months I'm going to be adding an entirely new section on affiliate marketing with YouTube and how I do it and how I did it last year to earn over 6 figures just from YouTube itself. So this is the training section, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over setting up your YouTube channel, creating videos, the types of videos you need to create. If you're not comfortable doing that, I go over and show you how you can outsource videos, uploading videos, watch time, where to get your watch time from. A lot of people may not be comfortable with this because a lot of people, they want everything organic. And when you try to shortcut things, there's things you can do to make it a lot faster, such as what I do. A lot of people would consider that to be black hat, which kind of is. But at the same time, it allows you to get your channel monetized very fast. It allows you to start making money very fast. And if you're not comfortable with that type of a strategy, then I don't recommend you invest in this course. Now, after you get your channel monetized and you learn how to do rankings, you can focus more on the organic side of it and growing your channel organically, getting organic views, building it that way. So you can have a long-term sustainable YouTube channel, which is what I've pretty much done with every one of my channels over the past several years. Also, I'm going to go into detail over 2 case studies that I'm going to show you from beginning to end how to get your channel monetized. So what I do is I build 2 brand new YouTube channels, and I go out through the entire process and record it and show you everything that I do, from uploading the videos, the type of videos that I create, how I create them, getting the watch time, getting the subscribers, where I get them from. Everything is recorded and shown in here so you guys know exactly what to do yourself and you don't have any questions about it. I then give you full updates on it, getting approved for monetization or ads on YouTube. I also show you 3-week results after that happens. I go over some analytics and types of ads that you can be running on your videos and the recommended niches you should be involved in to get the highest CPM or to get the highest amount of income from your ad revenue from views. Now down here in this other section is the YouTube ranking training. And what I do in this section is I go over understanding YouTube's algorithm. And so this is really important. If you want to know how YouTube ranks videos, you want to watch this video. I've done thousands of orders for other people all across the world and ranking their videos, and through this I've learned so much about YouTube, what they want in order to get their videos ranked. And then I go over optimizing your video properly, how to boost your rankings, ways you can do that, adding CTR, click-through rate. This is something that I go in depth with. Some of it's pretty advanced, but this here is kind of the secret sauce to getting your videos ranked. some advanced strategies with it, another case study that I do showing you how you can quickly rank keywords, how to do keyword research, and then what to do next once you get all this going and everything up and running. So this is YT Marketer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really encourage you, if you want to build a business with YouTube, whether you want to do it promoting your own products, promoting affiliate products, whether you want to build a big email list for lead gen or whatever it is, this is going to show you how to get your videos ranked so you can do that. Obviously, if you're ranked above your competitors, people's going to click on your videos other than your competitors, which is ultimately going to give you the results you want for whatever you're trying to achieve. But this course goes live here in a couple hours. It is going to be evergreen. It's not something that I'm going to launch and say, oh, well, now you can't get it after next week. There's no scarcity like that going on. This is a course that I plan on releasing, updating, and keeping and growing a big Facebook community from, where we can all become, I guess you could say, elite YouTube marketers, where we can all, in 2022, build a huge YouTube business to further our financial success. So if you have any questions, leave them below this video, but if you want to check it out, you can go there. You can see all the proof from a lot of the members, the results they're already getting. If you have questions, let me know, but I do want to mention that during the first week that I am launching this, I am going to be offering a $500 discount coupon code, and I will put that below this video, and that will save you $500 on the price of this course. I know a lot of you may be thinking, wow, that's expensive. Well, if you had any idea how much money I've invested in learning what I've learned to show you in this course, that's a drop in the bucket. You know, over the past 7 years, for one, I have learned so much in YouTube, and you're going to be able to bypass doing all that yourself. I have had special training from many different people that has cost me well over $10,000 to learn a lot of these strategies that I'm going to be teaching you in this course. So what I'm charging for this course, if you understand what you're getting from this course, it is way undervalued. But this is YT Marketer, so if you do decide to join, make sure you hit me up on Facebook Messenger or something. Be sure to join my VIP Facebook group, where we do a lot of chatting and talking in there as a group of YouTube marketers. And that's it for this video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and like I mentioned before, if you have questions, leave them below and I will try to get to them when I can. Thanks.
Okay, so as you can see, you will learn everything you need to know to make a passive income on YouTube. And seriously, this course will pay for itself faster than you think. On top of that, I have a special discount code for you that gives you $300 off. I have no idea for how long it's going to be valid, so you must act now before it expires. Just use the code YTM300 at the checkout and get the discount. This course is worth a lot more, so even if the code no longer works, you're still lucky you found this training. So act now and get the course. Click the link in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube, or a button below if you're watching this anywhere else. Use the discount coupon code YTM300, start making money on YouTube passively and enjoy the freedom of wealthy life. You can go away now and come back to your daily struggles, or you can take a step further and change your life. Act now, your life is in your hands. Click the link below in the description and start living your life in full. I wish you a lot of success. Click the link below to get more information. Cheers!